Extra good. We're in the East Village and we have a special Ukrainian food tour today. We're standing in front of the St. George Ukrainian Catholic Church. At one point in the East Village there was over 60,000 Ukrainians. That was after World War II. But still today there's around 20,000 Ukrainians living in this small patch of the East Village. So we're going to go and check out a lot of Ukrainian food places today. Lots of fun. Extra good. Veselka was founded in 1954 and it started out as like a candy newsstand. It was founded by Ukrainian immigrant Vladimir Dmytro and it's now being run by the second generation owner Tom Birchard and his son Jason, and it specializes in Ukrainian soul food, which is like potato pancakes and borscht and pierogis, which they make a huge number of them. So we're going to go inside and check it out and watch them make pierogis and borscht. And the word Veselka is Ukrainian for rainbow. Jason Birchard was instrumental in turning Veselka into a 24-hour, 7-day-a-week establishment in 1991. Potato pancakes served with sour cream and applesauce is $6 for a single pancake or $15 for a plate. Veselka makes 2,500 potato pancakes each week. A side of Jay Baczynsky's kielbasa is an additional $3 when ordering eggs any style. Ukrainian borscht is a classic beet soup with vegetables and roast pork. Veselka has one lady that comes in every day just to make borscht. There are 4 full-time women who come into Veselka each day to make pierogis by hand. They make 3,000 pierogis every day. We are going to watch the entire process from start to finish of making homemade pierogis, varenyky, or dumplings. Executive Chef Dima takes us through the whole process. First, they make the dough using this vintage mixer. Then the dough is rolled out, going through multiple runs in this rolling machine. Circles are cut to form the pierogi dumpling.
They do that so fast.
Filling is then put in the center of each circle. This is their short rib filling. Then they pinch them closed. It's not as easy as it looks. After the pierogis are prepared, they're dropped into a huge vat of boiling water. Once the pierogis rise to the top of the boiling water, it's time to take them out. pierogies are then cooled on racks. And then once cooled on one side, flipped over to cool on the other side. Here's the finished cooked pierogies being served to customers. They look amazing. Watching all of these pierogies being made has gotten us really hungry, so we're going to place an order. But before we sit down and eat, we're going to visit another Ukrainian food business with close ties to Veselka. The East Village Meat Market was founded in 1970 by Ukrainian immigrant Julian Baczynsky, and it's now being run by his son, we'll call him, Andrew and Nikki. He really is his adopted son, who happens to be Polish, because Julian retired because he's in his 90s. So we're going to go inside and check it out. They specialize in Ukrainian kielbasa, an Eastern European kielbasa, which they make on the premises. They even have a smoker in the back where they smoke it over hardwood. It's amazing. Hudson wants some kielbasa. Mr. Baczynsky has been supplying Veselka with kielbasa, salami, ham, and ground pork since the 1970s. Their homemade kielbasa is definitely the most popular item they sell, and is made by hand in the back of the shop, where they also have a smoker. You got a lot of work done.
Yeah.
When did you start, working for Mr. Baczynsky's?
Oh, it was a while ago in 1980.
And is he the one who also taught you how to, cut all the meat?
Yes.
and taught you the original recipe for
Yes.
the kielbasa?
Yes.
Oh, wonderful. Do you guys make your own stuffed cabbage too?
Yeah.
Oh, you do? Oh, wonderful.
We just made it.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh, amazing. Select and trim the pork, then marinate it for a week. Grind it, spice it, and stuff it into casings. Finally, the kielbasa goes into the smoker. Here it is, where it slow cooks over hardwood for 4 to 6 hours. You may be wondering why we're standing in front of a Chase Bank branch, but this location on 2nd Avenue at the corner of East 10th Street was the original home of the 2nd Avenue Deli, which was owned by a Ukrainian Jewish immigrant, Abe Liebowall. He founded it in 1954, and it specialized in Jewish comfort food. And they sold corned beef and pastrami sandwiches, really big sandwiches, and matzo ball soup, aka Jewish penicillin. Unfortunately, this location was forced to close after a huge rent increase. In 2006, their rent was increased from $24,000 a month to $33,000 a month. Luckily, they were later able to reopen in Murray Hill on 33rd Street and have another location on the Upper East Side, but this is the original location. Abe Liebowall, the owner of 2nd Avenue Deli, installed this Yiddish Walk of Fame, which is 30 stars of the Yiddish theater. So there's a lot of famous Yiddish actors that are represented here, and let's go check them out. Boris Tomaszewski is a Ukrainian Jewish actor in the Yiddish theater. We're standing outside the former home of another Ukrainian restaurant, which was called Stage Restaurant. And it was called Stage because it was right next door to the Orpheum Theater. Stage Restaurant was founded in 1980 by Roman Diakon, and it was run by him and his son Andrew, unfortunately, until they were forced to close in 2015 after the landlord kicked them out. They specialize kind of in Ukrainian comfort food, just like Veselka, Borscht, and pierogis, and they also sold sandwiches, but it was very small. It only had one long counter with seating, and actually didn't even have a bathroom. So unfortunately, we can't go inside any longer, but we wanted to point it out because it was a great Ukrainian restaurant. The Ukrainian Museum on East 6th Street between 2nd Avenue and Cooper Square was founded in 1976. It's the largest museum in the United States dedicated to showing the historic significance of the cultural history of Ukrainians. So I'm gonna go check it out. The museum has a cute gift shop selling lots of handmade Ukrainian items. Before we head back inside Veselka to eat, we wanted to point out this beautiful mural painted by local artist Arnie Chernik. So now we're going to try some borscht. Hold on. The head chef told us that they make 110 gallons of borscht a week, which is crazy. So good.
That looks extra good.
Extra good. We ordered an assortment of different boiled and fried pierogis filled with short rib, potatoes and cheese, farmer's cheese, arugula and goat cheese, and sauerkraut and roasted mushrooms. They were all so amazing. Pierogis are served with sauteed onions and sour cream. I'm gonna try some pierogis. Extra good. Hey guys, what a great day we had on our Ukrainian food tour. So much fun and such great food. Thanks so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and notification bell and give it a thumbs up and share our video if you liked it. You may also enjoy watching some of our other East Village videos, including our East Village street food and punk video, East Village food and books tour, and our vinyl records and food tour. We'll be posting new videos every Friday, so hit that bell to be notified.
Bye, guys.
Bye guys! Do pobачення!
Do pobачення.